didn't see it there. You know, books are pretty neat. You know, sometimes when I'm reading, I think to myself, what if all the books in the world were gone, except for 5? And I think, which 5 would I want to save? You know, that's a pretty good question, and I've had a lot of time to think about it. So here are my 5 books that I would save. Oh, looky here, it's my first book, the Holy Bible. The Bible is a great book not only because it's a major foundation for Western civilization, but it provides people with a moral compass. Through the many stories, proverbs, and scriptures, you can derive a lot of lessons. Oh, look, another book! It's my second book, The Eagle of the Ninth by Rosemary Sutcliffe. An amazing story of Marcus, a Roman legionary who goes into northern Britain to redeem his family's honor by finding the Eagle of the Ninth Legion. It's a great book because you get to learn the values of friendship, especially between Marcus and his slave Esca, and the importance of honor and pride. Oh look, it's my third book, With the Old Breed by E.B. Sledge. This book is a memoir of E.B. Sledge, who was a Marine during the Second World War. And it's a great book because it teaches the savagery that humankind is capable of during war, but also the brotherhood formed by different people. And it teaches powerful lessons of love and friendship. Oh, look, another book, 1984 by George Orwell. Now, this is a great little book. You can learn a lot from this. This book teaches about the dangers of censorship and totalitarianism, but it also equally teaches the importance of free will and free speech, and how people being able to do what they want and be able to be creatively thinking, and how important that is to the human experience. Let's see here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my last book? Oh, right! The Prince by Niccolo Machiavelli. An essay that Niccolo Machiavelli taught about how people during the Renaissance, princes particularly, are going to be able to take power and keep power through different practices and different principles. And you might say, why is this my last book? Well, this is my most important book. This is the book that I'm going to become. And you say, why is that? Well, if you think about it, if all other books are gone, the socio-political environment will become very unstable, allowing people with the right virtue and fortuna, which Niccolo Machiavelli talks about, and if they apply the certain principles he also talks about, to be able to gain
unlimited amount of power.
Well, those are my 5 books, and I hope you learned why I think that they're important. But wait a minute. I did say I was going to become the prince, didn't I? Well, that's all, folks.